Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house. And today I stole this guy from my wife's collection. This is the Begg Knives Steelcraft series mini glimpse. And we're just gonna do a quick review. This is, pretty beautiful knife. She loves that. I love it too. She doesn't let me use it really that much. This is a pretty expensive knife. This is in this configuration comes to around $400. Overall, it's 7.2 inches long, so it's the perfect size for her, for a purse. This is made by Riyadh Knives in China. This is the Steelcraft series designed by Begg Knives, and it's just a beautiful design. This is a titanium frame lock, and has a beautiful titanium frame, which is blackened out with this pretty cool finish. You can also find this one in G10. It's going to be a little bit cheaper, but this is, I think, the way to go. The fit and finish is outstanding, guys. It's phenomenal. You cannot feel any lip over here. I mean, there are no gaps. It's beautifully made, really fantastic. We love it. It's a pretty cool drop point blade with this, distinctive fuller that Begg Knives used us to. It's very, very nice. Overall, the blade is 3-inch long, but just cutting edge, it's going to be 2.75 inches, so a little bit smaller. It's basically all belly with a nice sharpening choil, and it's made out of S35 VN steel, so pretty good to go high-end steel. The finish of the blade, it's a nice satin, two-directional with this beautiful hollow grind. You're gonna love it. The sound it makes, it's like this. Very, very classic. It's not loud, it's not silent, of course. The closing sound is gonna be this one. So it's very elegant. You see, like that. So beautiful. Yeah, you're gonna love it if you're a guy or a girl. It's just beautiful. Look at this. I mean, lines, designs, fantastic. The weight also, it's pretty good at 3.7 ounces. And check out the clip. This is pretty good. Almost like a deep carry pocket clip. It's gonna, stick out just this little bit. It has a pretty cool ceramic ball right over here to just slide in and out of your pocket. It's beautifully done. It's made of titanium. You have a pretty cool grip like here. You can choke it up a little bit like that. Not really much of a hot spot for this from this clip because it's all also rounded off. The action is superb. Like, it's very, very smooth and fast, and you can both light switch or you can also push button. So you have a couple of options. Of course, you can do two-handed opening, but anyway, this is going to be like a pretty cool fidget knife. It's running on IKBS bearing, and it's just beautiful. So if you want to check out more, please make sure you watch the full length review for this guy. But thanks for watching and stay tuned.